These APIs sold over more than $10,000, and creating one is easier than you think. You don't need any coding skills, and I'll show you every step on how to create and sell an API using ChatGPT. Rapid API, in case you didn't know, is a marketplace for buying and selling APIs, including football live score APIs and recipe APIs. These APIs are extremely profitable because all APIs have subscription plans and it would be recurring revenue on a monthly basis. Let us now look at the APIs in the Tools category. There, you can see QR code APIs, Facebook video download APIs, this QR code API, and the pricing for all of these APIs. Now build our own API by the help of ChatGPT. Create an API with ChatGPT. Now open ChatGPT and look for Code for Python Flask API server that takes GET_REQUEST as a request with URL as string and converts into a QR code image and sends it back to the API response. Now, ChatGPT will generate code for our API. You must be specific about your API functionality so that ChatGPT can generate code. Let's copy and paste the code into the qr.py file. Run code. Now let's run this with command python qr.py server started. This is a demo request. Copy and paste this in the search bar and we will get our QR code image. Let's change the URL value and we get the new QR code. Let's check the server log. This is working. Change the API code. Let's make the response image downloadable now that ChatGPT is updating our code so that QR code image gets downloaded automatically. In the qr.py file, copy and paste this code. Restart server. After all of that, let's run this file. Our server has started sending the request by refreshing the page, and you can see that the image is downloaded. Let's try a few different URLs, and every time the image gets downloaded automatically, our API is ready. Cloud Platform Options AWS GCP. Now it's time to deploy it to the cloud. I would use Python anyplace, but you may use Amazon or Google Cloud or any other platforms. Deploy on pythonanywhere.com. Once you have registered, go to the dashboard and select Open Web App. Click on New Web App, then select Flask and the Python version. Then click on Next. Scroll down, select the present file, open it, and paste our Python code there. In order to fix the issue caused by the lack of a default root, save this file, click on the web, and then let's restart our server. Test created API. All we have to do now is copy our demo request query parameters with path and paste them into the search bar, and the image will be downloaded and our API will be operational. Punlish API. Now sign up at rapidapi.com, select New API Project, fill out the form, and then select Hub Listing. After that, add the base URL of your API server and a few details about your API. Now click on Endpoints and add the end pin root and query parameters. Save this. Click View in Hub. This is the listing area to test whether our API is operating or not. Click this button to test an endpoint, and you can see we got response code 200 and a QR code image as a response. Our API is working. Make money by selling. Add pricing by clicking Monetize. Any price that you choose can be used as the price. We are finished at this point, and our API is online and operational. We will be compensated for each subscription to our API. Find Created API on Rapid API. Let's see. Search for QR Code API, and you will see the API on the page. You can make these API using ChatGPT. This is just one few ways on how to create an API. Try to be creative and implement your idea into a new API, and I'm sure you'll be able to earn up to $10,000 or even more. If you enjoyed watching the video, hit the like button and comment below. And if you want to know how to make money on YouTube as a beginner, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.